Literally, as I'm filming this video, I am streaming. It's a 24/7 job. 24/7. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another album unboxing video. I'm so excited for this. I'm actually not gonna lie. I didn't know if I was gonna get this album, but here it is. I went to Target and I got myself the Peaches version. Why I got this version, I don't know. And when I went to my local Target, it was actually the last album that they had, so it was just meant to be. But yeah, they had them for $22. I believe it was $24 with taxes, so it wasn't that bad. But I didn't know if I wanted to spend the money because first, I am moving to New York City very soon, so I need to save every single coin. And second, it's just 2 songs, so. But at the end of the day, I decided to go ahead and get it because we gotta support the boys, you know, we gotta pay rent. Anyways, so this is gonna be a really quick unboxing. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's take the plastic off. Alright, so it's pretty similar. It is pretty similar to the way that B opens up, the same magnetic way, which is kind of cool. So it just like opens the same way. So when you first open it, this is what you get. Why did they Photoshop Jungkook's tattoos and they left those 2 and they took the army out? Like, what was the reason? What was the reason? Someone please explain. Namjoon stands. Are you okay? I just want to know, are you okay? Look at that. So this picture really did it for me. So this photo album, it is not the same as the photo album that came with the B album, in the sense that in the B album we were able to take the photos out of the photo album easily. Okay, so if we put this aside, the next thing, it's gonna be the poster. Can you see it? So I'm moving to New York very soon and I already have plans for this. I'm gonna put it in a corner of my room. I'm gonna get a frame from IKEA, a white frame, and it's just gonna look so cute. So we put this aside, and then the next thing that we have, it's this. I don't know what this is. Is this supposed to be an envelope? Oh wait, I'm so dumb. Oh, that's cute. This is very cute. I can put this on my desk if I have any space left. Next thing is, I got the message from Suga. So Minhyuk is my bias. Look at him, so cute. So this is the message. And then these are the other pictures on the other side. So adorable. Next is my photo card, which came facing up. So no element of surprise for me. Great, we love it. It's so funny. Now that I'm looking at my wall, I have him as month of June for my calendar, have a little photo of him on my wall, and then I just got him as a photo card. I think I stated that Minhyuk is my bias, but I think Faith is trying to tell me something else. So yeah, we got a photo card, we got the little photo beach, very cute, and then we got the lyrics, which again, there's only 2 songs, so we got 2 lyrics. Oh, so Ed Sheeran's produced Permission to Dance. No wonder. So we got the lyrics card. We got some stickers. I love how they only included one to do stickers. I'm only gonna do things one day, and that's it. BTS said so. So we got all that, and then lastly we have the CD that I'm never going to play. I've honestly never played any of the CDs that I've gotten. This album, even though it's 2 songs, it is very cute. Very cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did see my TikTok, I did mention that I was gonna give 1 album away. And if you didn't see my TikTok, well, this is the announcement. I am giving 1 album away. All you gotta do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment the keyword Space Cowboy. Yeah, Space Cowboy. So again, just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below Space Cowboy. Along, what do you think about the music video? I'll be announcing the winner at the end of July, so make sure you get your comments in because I'll be picking one of you guys. Also, be really helpful if you put your Instagram handle in your comment because I'll be reaching out. So yeah,
thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys enter the giveaway. Thank you. Bye.